Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, students. Let me continue with exercise 13.7 in surface areas and volumes. Question number 7. A right triangle ABC with sides 5 cm, 12 cm and 13 cm is revolved about the side 12 cm. Find the volume of the solid so obtained. So, there is a right triangle with sides 5 cm, 12 cm and 13 cm. You have to revolve it about the side 12 cm. When you revolve the right triangle with the side 12 cm, you get a cone of radius 5 cm and height 12 cm. What happens? When you revolve the right triangle with the side 12 cm, you get a cone of height 12 cm and radius 5 cm. So, from this we have to find the volume of the solid so obtained. So, when you revolve about the side 12 cm, the radius of the cone becomes 5 cm. The side 5 cm becomes the radius of the cone and the other side 12 cm of the triangle becomes the height of the cone. So, height of the cone becomes 12 cm. Since you know the radius and height, you can find the volume of the cone using the formula. What is the formula for finding the volume of the cone? 1 by 3 pi r squared h cubic units. So, it is 1 by 3 into what is pi value? It is not given 3.14, so we have to use 22 by 7 into what is r? 5 into and what is the height? 12. Now 3 ones are 3 4s are. Now multiply the numerator. 5 5s are 25, 25 4s are 100, 100 into 22 is 2200 by 7 centimeter cube. And again if you divide 2200 by 7, you will get the volume, that is 7 3s are 21, 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28, 20, 7 2s are 14, 60, 7 8s are. So, it keeps going. So, you can stop with 314.28, 2 decimal places. So, you find the volume of the cone obtained as 314.28 centimeter cube. Let me explain the problem again. A right triangle with sides 5 cm, 12 cm and 13 cm is revolved about the side 12 centimeters. Then the 12 centimeter side becomes the height, and when it is revolved, it forms a cone. So, the cone will have the height 12 centimeter and the side 5 centimeter of the triangle becomes the radius of the cone. So, radius of the cone is 5 centimeter, height of the cone is 12 centimeter. We can find the volume of the cone using the formula 1 by 3 pi r squared h cubic units. So, when you substitute the values of radius as 5 centimeter and height as 12 centimeter, we get the volume of the cone as 2200 by 7 centimeter cube, or when you convert to decimal number, it becomes 314.28 centimeter cube. Is it clear, children? So, the next one is, if the triangle mentioned in question number 7, what is the triangle mentioned in question number 7? The sides of the triangle were 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter. If the triangle mentioned in question number 7 is revolved about the side 5 centimeter, then find the volume of the solid so obtained. Find also the ratio of the volumes of the two solids obtained in question number 7 and question number 8. Now, here the triangle is revolved about the side 5 centimeter. So, when you revolve about the side 5 centimeter, when you revolve that right triangle, you always get a cone, as I told you. So, the height of the cone becomes 5 centimeter and the side 12 centimeter of the triangle becomes the radius of the cone. So, what is the radius of the cone now? In this problem, when you revolve about the side 5 centimeter, the radius becomes 12 centimeter and the side 5 centimeter becomes the height of the cone. So, what is the height of the cone? 5 centimeter. Now we need to find the volume of this solid now. Okay. So what is the volume of the cone? Now what is obtained? Volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r squared h cubic units. So it is 1 by 3 into, what is pi value? 22 by 7 into radius is 12. So 12 into height is 5. So 3 ones are 3 4s are. So when you multiply the numerator, 12 5s are 60, 60 into 4 240. So 240 into 22 is 5280 by 7. So it is 5280 by 7 centimeter cube, or you can even divide 5280 by 7. So 7 7s are 49, 7 5s are 35, 7 4s are 28, 220, 7 2s are 14 60. So 8, it keeps going. So I will stop with 2 decimal places. So I get 754.28 centimeter cube. So they asked you the volume of the solid so obtained. So that we found it as 754.28 centimeter cube. And one more question they are asking you to find, that is, find also the ratio of the volumes of the two solids obtained in question number 7 and question number 8. In question number 7, what is the volume we got? 2200 by 7 centimeter cube. And here in question number 8, what is the volume we got? 5280 by 7. So we need to find the ratio of the volumes. So what is the ratio of the volumes? In the 7th question we got 2200 by 7, and in 8th question we got 5280 by 7. So 7 gets cancelled, and this 0 will get cancelled. So 220 is to 528. Let us see whether how to reduce this. Yes, it goes in 4 tables. 4 55s are, and this is 4 132s are, and 55 and 132 goes in 11 tables. 11 5s are, 11 12s are. So what is the ratio? It is 5 is to 12. So what is that they asked? Volume of the cone obtained and the ratio of the volumes. So answer is volume of the cone obtained. You can write it as 5280 by 7 centimeter cube, or you can even write it in decimal number as 754.28 centimeter cube. And what is the next one they are asking? Ratio of the volumes in question number 7 and 8. So ratio of the volumes is equal to 5 is to 12. Is it clear, children? The next question, a heap of wheat is in the form of a cone whose diameter is 10.5 meter and height is 3 meter. Find its volume. The heap is to be covered by canvas to protect it from rain. Find the area of the canvas required. So the wheat is in the form of a cone. The wheat has been arranged in the form of a cone whose diameter is given 10.5 meter and height is given in as 3 meter. So what is the diameter of the cone? That is given as 10.5 meter. From this, what is its radius? It is 10.5 by 2 or 5.25 meter. And what is the height of the heap of the cone given? Height of the heap of the cone is given as 3 meter. Now we need to find its volume. So what is the volume of the cone? Volume of the cone is given by the formula 1 by 3 pi r squared h cubic units. So it is equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into what is radius? 10.5 by 2 into 10.5 by 2 into height is 3. This 3 in the numerator and denominator gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2. 2 11s are, then 7 ones are, and 7 1.5s are. So multiply the numerator. 10.5 into 1.5, that is 15.75 into 11, so it is 173.25 divided by 2. When you divide by 2, what do you get? 86.625 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the cone. Now the heap has to be covered by canvas to protect it from rain. So the conical shape has to be covered by the canvas. So what area will be covered? CSA of the cone will be covered. So we need to find the area of the canvas required. That is nothing but the CSA of the cone. You know, the radius of the cone is given as 10.5 by 2 or 5.25 meter. Yes, and height is given as 3 meter. So for CSA of the cone we need the slant height. So slant height L is equal to square root of h squared plus r squared. So it is square root of 5.25 the whole squared plus 3 squared. So what is 5.25 squared? 5.25 into 5.25. When you multiply, you get 27.5625. 27.5625 plus 3 squared is 9. So when you add them, you get 36.5625. So how to find the square root of 36.5625? 36.5625. So 6 6 are 36. So 6 6 are 36. I want to bring 5 6 down, so I have to keep decimal point. 6 2s are 12, but this doesn't go, so I have to put a 0 here, 0 here. So I get 5 6, and I have to bring this 2 and 5 down. So 62s are 120, 1 2 0 4 0 4. So I get 4816. So 6.04. So 4816. 8, and I can add 2 more zeros. So 604 into 2 is 1208. So 1208 66 351 5 72. So I can put 6 times here and 6 times here. So it is 7 2 5 and 6. So it keeps going. So square root of 36.5625 is 6.046. That can be written as 6.05 meter. So what is the slant height of the cone? 6.05 and radius is 5.25 meter. Now what is the area of canvas required? Area of canvas required, that is nothing but CSA of the cone. What is the CSA of the cone? Pi RL square units. So it is 22 by 7 into radius is 5.25 and slant height is 6.05. So 7 ones are 7. 0.75. So 6.05 into 0.75 is, when you multiply you get 4.5375. So 4.5375 into 22 you have to do. So it is 4.5375 into 22 is it correct? So you get 99. You get 99.825. So it is 99.825 meters square. So what is that they asked? The final answer should be written as volume of the heap of corn, heap of wheat, that we found it as what? 86.625 meter cube. 86.625 meter cube. And what is the area of canvas required? Area of the canvas required is equal to 99.825 meters square. Hope it's clear, children. Thank you.